Okay, another quick review on the National Geographic Kids stuffed animal. He's a cute little penguin. Little wings here, head and beak, belly, little legs. The back of him looks like. He's pretty cute. We've had him probably I don't know exactly when Tess got this with the baby. He's a cute little animal. You can pick him up and carry him around, play with him. He's nice and soft. She loves stuff. She definitely likes stuffed animals. Got a little string here attached to it. You can carry him. Either carry him about hold him or carry him around about the string, either one. Got a bunch of cat hairs and everything on it, and you need to go in the washer. He's a cute little animal. Nice and soft material. We haven't had any problems with stuffing or anything coming out of him. He's really cute. You got little kids that like stuffed animals. It's something you might want to think about getting. Most kids like stuffed animals with it. I know a lot of adults that like stuffed animals too. I got a few of them. I got a few of them along the way. This is National Geographic Kids stuffed animal.